How to start wholesaling real estate in 30 days. That's right. It only takes 7 to 30 days, or as quick as you can find a buyer, to wholesale a piece of property. And wholesaling property could be the gateway to real estate investing and how to get started. This is Ken Van Liew, author of the Modern Wealth Building Formula, How to Master Real Estate Investing, to talk a little bit about today the steps to start your wholesaling real estate career. So stay tuned. It's really important when you start wholesaling that you at least know the step-by-step. And today, we're going to give you a little blueprint so you can get started. How does wholesaling work? I did 137 deals in 1 year, so let me just walk you through step-by-step so you can get a little feel for it. And then, for sure, after this video, you will be ready to get started. Selling your right to buy a property. That's assigning the contract. You sign a contract for $10,000 or $100,000 and you flip it for $120,000. Now, let me get into a couple of the items on how it works. So conduct an in-depth market analysis. Start by building a buyer's list and learn how to find property that you can wholesale. Market, and some more. Get your property under contract, find your end buyer, assign the contract, and close the deal. It's really that simple. We talked a little bit about wholesaling in one of my other videos, and it's really that simple, and I don't want to keep emphasizing other than wholesaling is, like I said at the beginning, the gateway into all different types of real estate. You're going to learn and meet realtors. You're going to learn the process. You're going to learn about financing, just being part of it. Even though you're assigning the contract, the person buying that property from you is typically going to have to go through the finance process. And that's where you can usually make a difference in staying involved in the process during the finance. Why? Because that pays you your profit, even if you get them to give you the down payment. What are the steps in wholesaling real estate? Let's take a look at those steps, just so you can get clear on what you have to do to make this happen. All right, guys, so what I want to do, I know I just ran through it really quick, so I literally want to go step by step, number them so you could write them down. So grab a piece of paper and literally take notes, because this is the entire wholesaling process of assigning a contract, and that's it. So let's go. Number 1 is conduct an in-depth market analysis. What does that mean? You want to know your market where you're getting into and get some local realtors to do, a comparative market analysis so you can actually learn what's going on in that market. Item number 2 is start building a buyer's list. That's right. You have to have a buyer's list. You hear me talk about this in my Financial Freedom Protocol program. We used to have buyers lined up at the door for these properties. And once you have a buyer's list, it's literally a frenzy when you get your wholesale property. Item number 3 is get your logistics in order. What does that actually mean? Well, get your processes in order. You'll always hear me say 94% of all businesses fail without systems. Well, it's important that you have your processes and systems in place, so this step is fluid. The next step number 4 is market some more. You need to know your market. You need to put marketing teams around you. Use social media. Use different techniques. Use my hot sheet that I show you in Financial Freedom Protocol, Modern Wealth Building Formula, how to present your properties. Number 5, get your property under contract. That's right. Get your property under contract. Have your standard contract. Get it assigned. Have your assignment contract already. Literally, sell it to your buyer, change the name on the assignment contract, put the number value in showing your profit, and you move on to step 6, which is find your end buyer. Now, you can have end buyers in mind when you work this system long enough. You're going to have wholesale buyers and end buyers that are your buy and holds, and that's why I taught you a little bit about buy and hold on this channel, so you could do both. And let's look at step 7. Is assign the contract. Very simple process. It's one closing. The contract that you signed is assigned to the new buyer. You close, they close, you get your profit. It's that simple. Hey guys, Thank you so much for always being on my YouTube channel. Don't miss the 11millionairesecrets.com. Keep in mind that the steps I just went through you with wholesaling, that's it. 7 steps. Keep it clean. Put the team around you. Find somebody that's already done it. Don't reinvent the wheel, guys. You've heard me say that before. This is Ken Van Liew signing off. Make it a great day.